Hey, my beautiful Geminis, welcome to Soulful Intuitive Tarot. How are you all doing? Today, we are going to ask our spirits and guides to what can my Geminis expect in the month of December 3rd week. These are general love readings, so they may resonate or may not resonate with you. So, please watch for your Sun, Moon, and Rising videos. And keep in mind, roles can be reversed and cross watchers are welcome. And please do like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Let's start with the reading. What are your feelings right now? What are your feelings right now? We have three cards. We'll put them again. There were three and more. What are you feeling right now? We have two. Nine of Wands and Two of Pentacles. Trying to take a decision, in between some kind of a decision, very much burdened by this, totally worked up, feeling little defeated, protecting, securing your place, a lot of like just trying to persevere through the situation, not giving up, trying to balance. This looks like a balance, temperance kind of energy, not wanting things to go either which way, just trying to be there in the middle, not taking any sides. Okay, let's see. How do you view your person as? How does my Gemini view their person as? You view them as Six of Wands. You see them as very successful, and maybe you're dealing with someone who's in army or excuse me, into some, they're getting recognition, they're getting their fame, some kind of this person looks like they are in public eyes, they people know them and people recognize them. They are someone who is very well off, well known in the society. What are your person's feelings for you? I got this card, actually it was going out. Your person feels like Tower, some kind of something is coming to an end. They think is they need or you, they think that you have lost hope and broken up with them. Okay, we have Hangman. Yes, you are not taking any action right now, and they think you as you have broken up and have no action in this connection. Then we have, we'll ask the question, how your person views you as. Geminis, how does your person views you? Too many cards, but cards want to speak. They view you as Hierophant. Okay, this person looks like, yes, they look like they go by the book. They take care of every aspect of their life. They don't want to go wrong, whether it's like breaking their back, but still they want to do it right. They just don't want to take any chances. They want to do it exactly how it is to be done. So now, what are you hoping for in this connection? Geminis, what are my Geminis hoping for in this connection? Spirits and guides. Again, we have two cards, King of Swords and Two of Swords. Lot of decision. You're hoping that they take a decision in your matter. In this connection, you want them to take a decision. You are hoping that they whatever they are stuck in, they finally come up with a solution towards this. But they are in their Hangman and Two of Pentacles energy, not taking decision, and you want them to do it exactly. Then that is the reason you are in this King of Swords energy. You will not entertain them unless they come up with a solution or to the situation which they are hanging in with. Okay, let's see what is your person hoping for? Eight of Cups. They want to move away from a family situation. Your person is hoping that you or they have to move away. Unless they move away, they can't find their happiness. And they are moving away from a family, a stable connection where it was some way down the line it was a happy connection, but now it doesn't fulfill them, it doesn't make them happy as they were used to be, and they want to move away. What action you plan on taking with this person? Geminis, what action Geminis plans on taking? Spirits, guides and universe, please tell me what my Gemini wants to take in this connection. Action. You want to, Four of Pentacles, you don't want no action. You just don't want to take any action. You want to be there and see what this person comes out with, because they are the one who is going to take the decision. Till then you are not talking to them. You have locked all the doors tightly. You have lock them from the outside so that you yourself can't open them. This is so, you must have blocked them everywhere. You are not in contact, you are not in talking terms. You just know, you must be like looking through their social media or something like that, but you don't exactly know, you exactly not talking to each other, and it is you who has blocked them. Okay, so what action your person plans on taking? Spirits and guides, please tell me what action Gemini's person wants to take. 10 of swords will clarify this. They are too much up in there, very depressed, all broken, wounded, depressed. King of Cups. Yes. See, in these cards you can see that King of Cups, where he is sitting on his throne, it is like, it is not stable. The emotions are not stable right now. Okay, they have no control over their emotions. They have a lot of love for you, but they are not in control of their own emotions because of the 10 of Swords energy. But this is like 10 coming to an end. This cycle is coming to an end, and this is the last part of their struggle. Let's see what is the outcome of this situation. What can you expect in this situation? Spirits, guides, please tell me what can my Geminis expect in the month of December? What can they expect in the month of December? In the spirits, guides, why you don't want to talk? What you can expect is 5 of Pentacles still. So Geminis, you still have this, you are, spirits are telling you will be feeling out in the cold. We'll clarify this. Why is this 5 of Pentacles energy for my Geminis? 3 of Cups. To see this celebration, to see this, maybe this is like, you can see this is the Christmas time coming. So you will be like celebrating with your friends and family, and they want to celebrate it with you. Or this is the outcome of the situation, right? You're feeling out in the cold, very lonely, but your friends and family will help you out, come out of this situation. But in this condition, in this right now where your person is, they are not in a position to come towards you right now. And this is a short term reading for a week. So we'll see what happens next. Or Gemini, this you need to focus on your life and have fun. Don't feel drained out and out in the cold. People are there with you. Your loved ones and family will come across as help in your life. Let's see what my romance angel angel answers cards have to tell my Geminis. Spirits, guides, and what to expect. What can my Gemini expect in this connection? 2 cards. The first card is big happy changes, and the second card is yes. We have one more card sticking to it. The situation will improve. As I said, right now is not improving, not this week. but definitely situation is going to be improving. Big happy changes are coming towards you, and the answer is yes. Geminis, this is what you can expect later. This is maybe coming in the new year, but in December you need to be focusing on having fun with your family and friends, having the celebrating the festivities with them, because this situation is going to take some time. We'll get advice from the chakra wisdom, what you need to know right now, what you need to do, what you need to take care of, what to expect. Spirits guides, tell me, what can my Geminis expect? Gossip, perfection, and mysticism. So definitely some kind of gossip going around, you guys. See, as I said, your person looks like they are in some high authority place where people are gossiping about them, people are talking about them, and I feel that they want things to be perfect. Like, they just don't want things to be in somewhere in the middle, or just they want to give you exactly what you deserve. Okay, when they take a decision, it will be perfect. Okay, their decision is not going to be just hasty or something. They will give you the right. The King of Swords energy is like, they know what they are going for. They're very logical, they're very what like they are very, like, the communication, they don't want conflicts in their life. They are very aware, and they'll just give you the right. Just wait for the divine timing. Right now, this is not the time. Mysticism, things are hidden from you, and you don't need to focus on them too much. You have to go with your life, and don't think about the hidden part of your this thing, of your situation in love. And wait for the right time, and my spirits will be there with you. Gemini, this was your reading. I hope it helped you, and we'll see you in the next one. Till then, all the best. Stay safe. Bye.